Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download the Windows 11 ISO file. So in order to do this, first you have to open your browser. Now in here you can search for Windows 11 ISO file or easily search for Windows 11 download. You have to search for it, and now you can see the first option is from Microsoft official store. So it's a genuine copy of the Windows 11. So you have to click on download Windows 11 from here. And once it's done, this will open up the Microsoft website. So if you want to download it, you don't download the ISO file, you don't have to click on any of these download now buttons. What you have to do is to scroll down a little bit, and now you can see here the third download option, which is in here. You can see download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. So you have to click on select download and click on this one, Windows 11 multi edition ISO for x64 devices. Now once that's selected, you can click on the download option. It will take some time, and once that's done, you have to click on select the language of the product you want. So I will select it as English. I hope that's English for your case as well. So once that's selected, you can click on confirm. It'll take a little bit of time. Once that's done, you can click on 64-bit download option, and once you click it, you can see that I have the download started already, which is a 5.2 gigabyte file. So once it's downloaded, I will show you how you can easily install this to a pen drive without using any other third-party apps or anything easily. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found it informative, and if yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you in another exciting video.